Hello guys, welcome to the Twintat Plus channel on YouTube. Today our lesson is different from the other days. Today I don't want to talk about graphic design or web design. Some of my friends called me and messaged me how I got monetized within a month. Today I want to talk about how to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month or longer, at least 2 months. There is a simple trick that you can use. First of all, your channel on YouTube should be completed. You should have a profile picture, cover photo, link your Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, website, or the other social medias that you use. You want to add, you can add them in here. Simply add them in here. Then try to make categories in here, like web hosting, static web design, dynamic web design. You can do it too. Now I want to go to YouTube Studio. In here, it's my dashboard of YouTube Studio. The last video that I have uploaded, it's for ranking by view. It has 12 views, 4.8% click-through rates. Now I want to make I want to tell you something that you can grow your channel so easy. For the first, we go to contents. In here we can see our contents. This is YouTube short. They are videos long. For video longs, I have created a thumbnail. Everyone has their own thumbnail, and all thumbnails are in one style. Try to make this all thumbnails should be in one style. Do not use different styles for every video. It's a branding that you can do it. Always use the same style for your thumbnails. Then you can create playlists. In playlists, I have added shorts, advanced CSS, WordPress beginner, and some others. I have created playlists for everyone. Now I want to add. I want to tell you about vidIQ. vidIQ, you can use the free version and you can use the paid version too, but I'm using the paid version. Now I want to upload a video, not to publish it, I will delete it, but for tutorial I want to add one, like this one. In here, the name is how to make a panorama. It's the name of our video. We added in our keyword too. In here, I want to add shorts because I don't use mobile. Any mobile I can easily add shorts, but using laptop, I should add shorts in the title. We don't need description for our video because this video is short, and shorts do not need descriptions. In here, playlist, I want to add it in the shorts. In here, I have tags. The most important part of YouTube is tags. I can add 500 alphabets for tags. In here using vidIQ, I want to use keyword inspector, and here I want to search for Photoshop. I have these 4 high rated keywords: Photoshop, Photoshop tutorial, Adobe Photoshop tutorial, Adobe Photoshop, and then here I have trending videos of Photoshop. And the first one is top 10 trending videos. The first one is make your signature digital with Photoshop. It's a short video, and here you see shorts. It has 19 million views and 29.4k views per hour. It has published 1 month ago, and this video using signature and Photoshop, digital signature, watermark. This one uses this keywords. I can add this by clicking on plus icon, or the other videos. I don't want to share this video. I will delete it after I have published this video. It is just for tutorial. Now in here, video language English, because my video do not have any sound. It's not different to use language, but English is better because most of the people around the world use English. If you want to add recording date, when you record it and where you record it, it's better for some videos. You go to festivals and record the videos, and then you want to add this, that I have recorded this on this date, and the place that you have recorded the video. Category, I want to add science and technology, and you can change it to any other categories that you want. Then in here, because my video monetized, I can use monetization. If I on it, in here I have these options: overlay ads, sponsored cards, and the others. But I don't want to monetize it because I want to delete this video after I published. Then in here, video elements, add subtitle, because my video do not have any sound. I don't want to add subtitle. Add in the screen, and short videos do not add in the screen, but the other videos you should add an in the screen. It's better when your video finish. Relate your video to any other videos that you have uploaded before. You can use this for your video. And then you can add cards if you want to add some other videos. When you are talking about WordPress, at the end you want to tell about Google Workspace, you want to relate Google Workspace, you can use add cards. And the last section in here, checked for copyright, no issues found, because the video is produced by me, and the sound I have used bensound.com. This website is a great website for royalty-free music for video backgrounds on YouTube. Then I click on the next, and I want to make it private because I don't want this video to be shared. Now I want to delete it. I have deleted this video. This was about how to use vidIQ. You can use the free version too, or free version is good too, but if you buy the premium version, you will grow better. And I know you can grow fast. You can grow fast and get monetized fast, and you will earn more fast. The other ways that you can get more views, more subscribers, is to share your videos on social media, especially Facebook groups. You should find the groups that is related to your videos of YouTube. You can share your links in there, and you can ask for the others to subscribe your channel. The other options that you can have is to tell your viewers to watch your video till end, and share your videos to others. And the last option that you can use is, if you have some famous friends or you know some famous people, you can tell them to share your YouTube link on your social profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, simply comment below, and I will answer it as fast as possible.